There's 3 common mistakes. Number 1 is being into too much extension. What is extension? That you're arching your lower back. What you want is you want to bring your rib cage down to your pelvis. So you have the bowl of your rib cage and the bowl of your pelvis. They should line up on top of each other. If you're in too much extension, you're going to be using your low back instead of using your actual abdominal muscles and internal external obliques, the muscles that make the X on the front of us, to do the crunch. The second piece is breathing. So I want to exhale, which drops my rib cage down, drops my diaphragm down, and helps bring that rib cage and pelvis together so you get more activation out of the front of your abdominal muscles. And the third piece is to not use your neck. Many people will grab the back of their neck and they'll pull on their neck. What you want is to take your fingers and to lightly support your head. You're supporting the neck to keep it neutral, but you're not yanking on it and you're not driving the movement with the neck. You're driving the movement with the ribs and the abdominals and bringing them down to your pelvis or your hips.